I need you, I want you, you want me. I need you, you want me. I want you, you want me.
Hi everyone. So it is Wednesday and I haven't been to school for about 2 months, just for some personal reasons that I'm not going to discuss right now. I basically take the IB, and you may or not know our exams have been cancelled, but in every single subject that we do, we still have to do a piece of coursework. And even before our exams were cancelled, just because of coronavirus, like the course had been cut. So the courseworks were already worth more, but now they matter so much because they're going to be like a huge indicator for our final grade that our teachers give us. So I really need to do my work. I just want to say that I've not been skiving, I've not been just being lazy, but I've had some stuff going on. But now I'm gonna get myself together. So I basically am gonna just film the next 3 days because it is Wednesday today, so I've got 3 days left of school until it's the Easter holidays, even though we haven't been to school since the beginning of December. But yeah, so I'm just gonna vlog that. It's gonna be a really random mixture of things, and I just kind of wanted to do it because I knew that it would make me more motivated to do it if I'm filming. I just want to make a very real video that's not like perfectly planned out, perfectly timed, because yes, I do try and be perfect and, you know, plan my days, do my to-do list, tick everything off, but in reality that's not realistic. So I basically don't want to put out fake content. So yeah, this is going to be a real vlog, show my ups and downs, and hopefully there won't be too many downs. I haven't been feeling too down recently. So everyone in my English class is actually doing their individual orals today, and they did some yesterday, and I've been given like an extension, so I need to prepare for that and basically start writing out a plan. So what you have to do is you have to give a presentation and analyse 2 40-line passages from books. So I need to really start planning that. And I've actually chosen the books I'm doing, so I'm not too far behind. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, all of that. And also, thank you so much for 75 subscribers. Okay, let's get going and be productive. Okay, so I have a Spanish oral next term, so I really need to do some work on that. What I'm going to do is I'm basically going to plan out an oral presentation for each topic and then learn them. That's my plan. And I'm also going to do some English. So that's what you're going to see me doing in the next clip.
I need you, I want you, you want me. I need you, you want me. I want you, you want me. I need you, I want you, you want me. I need you, you want me. I want you, you want me. You need me. I need you, I need you.
Okay, so it's now about 5:30 and I've finished doing my work. I did my work for about 3.5 hours and I've actually achieved quite a lot, so I'm pretty proud of myself. It's actually a really nice evening out in Edinburgh. I'll show you in a second. And my friend Kitty got a new puppy, so I'm gonna go and see it and I'll show it to you. So I'm gonna just go for a quick walk, get some fresh air, get some steps in for my day, and yeah.
I need you, you want me. I want you, you want me. I need you, you want me. You want me. I want you, I need you, you want me. I want you, you want me. I need you, you want me. You want me, I want you.
It's about 10:30, just got out the shower, obviously, as you can see. I'm so tired, so please excuse how rough I look. I don't know if it's just me, but has anyone else's sleep schedule just been not it recently? Like, I used to complain about having a messed up sleep schedule, but then I think about the fact that I used to literally just scroll through TikTok all night, and then I'd like wake up and I'd be like, oh mum, I had such a bad sleep, and then I'd be like, oh, it's because I went on my phone. But recently, I just lie there, completely still, and I can't get to sleep. Just me. I just have so much on my mind, like whether we're actually going to go back next term, like how exams are going to work, whether I'm going to get my grades, whether I'm going to take a gap year or not, what uni I want to go to. So yeah, that's my current life. I was really worried yesterday that these vlogs were going to just be really boring, but that's just life. And to be honest, it's not really my fault. It's coronavirus's fault. I'm really sorry if you can hear some weird noises, but my room is in the attic, so like all the boiler and like hot water stuff is up here, so sometimes it's like really loud noises. I hope everyone's doing well. I just woke up this morning and I was just like, I'm not feeling it. So I just got in the shower, got a bit fresh. Obviously it's not really worked because I still look disgusting. I'm just going to do my skincare and try and put myself in a better mood. I don't want to be a downer, but I don't want to pretend being happy because it's so much effort and I'm literally running on about 5 hours of sleep. So I'm not going to pretend. God, I look so pale. Anyway, it's just because there's a window. Actually, I don't know why I'm trying to make an excuse. I just am pale. Okay, so To wash my face, I'm going to use the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. I got this for Christmas from my mum, so thanks mum. She will not be watching this, but anyway. It's kind of a weird colour, like I think it's like made of charcoal, which is apparently really, really good for your skin, and literally I'll show you what it looks like. It looks like that, and it looks really, really weird when it's on my face. But yeah, I'm just going to wash my face, brush my teeth, do all that, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. So when I'm feeling down, something I like to do is do my skincare and put on some makeup if I can be bothered, just because it makes me feel a bit better. It makes me feel a little bit more put together. I've just been really loving YouTube recently. Like, I have wanted to do YouTube since third form, so since I was about 13, and I've always been so scared to, because I just was so scared of the judgment. And then, because we've been in lockdown for such a long time, I was just like, you know what, Lou? Do it. You're not going to be walking around school, people aren't going to be like talking to you. But then again, when I have seen my friends, everyone has been so supportive. So if you've been nice to me about my YouTube channel, it genuinely means the world to me, because I was so scared to start this. I've just been loving making videos and editing them. I literally love it. And thank you so much if you've subscribed, and if you haven't, do it.
I need you, I want you, you want me. I need you, you want me. I want you, you want me. I need you, I want you, you want me. I need you, you want me. I want you, you want me. You need me.
I then spent the next few hours filming my video. Go watch it if you haven't watched it, it's up now. I couldn't do any schoolwork because I was just so tired, but here we are anyway.
Good morning everybody. So today is Friday. I had a bit of a bad day yesterday. I mean, nothing major happened. I just woke up not feeling good. And today I did wake up and I was just like, ew, it's another day. But I've decided that I'm going to have a really, really positive day. And I'm not going to force myself to do any work, but I think I'm going to do some music composition, because for my IB I need to do 2 compositions. And I've done one and I've kind of got about 4 second ones, but they're just not very good, so I need to do some more. I'm not going to make this video too long, just because it's just going to be really boring and it's just going to be me doing the same thing I do every single day. But I'll show you a bit of my music, and then I think I'll just end the video, because this evening I don't have any plans, obviously, even though it's a Friday night. And I'm just going to be chilling with my family. Okay, so let's go and do some music. So I just attended my end of term assembly on Zoom, in my bed, in my dressing gown. It's kind of weird, because normally, like, you know, it'd be a big thing, because like next term we'd be doing our exams and we wouldn't actually be in school for that long. Oh my god, it's so shaky, I'm so sorry. And now, like, I don't know what to do with myself. I've got 3 weeks of Easter holidays and then I'm just going to go back to school, having not been at school for a month, and it's my last term of school ever. So I don't really know how to feel, but anyway.
I need you, I want you, you want me. I need you, you want me. I want you, you want me. I need you, I want you, you want me. I need you, you want me. I want you, you want me.
Okay, so it's been a few hours since I filmed, just because I was literally doing nothing. I went to sleep and then I had supper with my family, and now it's about 9:30. I'm just chilling, watching some YouTube, and yeah, I'm going to end the video here just because I don't really have anything more to film. But I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you guys want to see more videos like this, because I quite like making them. Just chill, little snippets of my days. This video will be going up on Saturday, so I hope you guys have a great weekend when it comes. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
I need you, you want me. I want you, you want me. You need me. I need you, I need you.